So this is JavaScript and we're here on the Codecademy website. We're going to do the first quiz. I thought I'd record it. So this is the first quiz on the Codecademy website. So the first question is what are variables used for in JavaScript? And it gives us a few options. For storing and holding data, for changing the values data type, for changing language settings. So it's obviously for holding and storing data. What is the outcome of the following code snippet? So it says console.log parentheses. Inside the parentheses, we've got brackets and it says hello world, which means this is going to print hello world to the console, which looks like it's the first choice there. So we click on that and that is correct. What is the outcome of this statement? We've got console.log parentheses. Inside the parentheses, we've got commas with high exclamation mark. Dot length. So it's asking what is the length inside these commas, which is 3, H-I and exclamation mark, 3 characters. So it will print 3 to the console. So we choose 3. What's the correct way to call random method on the math global object? So the inbuilt objects it's talking about here. So when we execute this, the first thing we need to put is math with a capital M. So let's look for that. Yep, there we go. Afterwards, we assign the next part of it with a dot operator. So it's going to be this bottom one here. Which of the following code snippets would cause an error? Constant, so they're using constant, so you cannot reassign this. Food 1 equals chicken, constant food 2 equals sushi. That's fine because they're two different variables, so no problems there. Let food equal chicken, food equals sushi. Well, that's a let, that's been declared with a let, L-E-T, which means you can reassign it, so no problems there. Const food equals chicken. Okay, so this third one here, they're trying to reassign a variable that's a const, which you cannot do. So this third one is incorrect. So this one here will cause an error. Which of the following is an example of a single line comment? So to do a single line comment, it's 2 forward slashes, which is this third one here. What will the following code print to the console? So it says let number equal 10. Number using this little operator here, which is the multiplication by 3. So 10 multiplied by 3. Console.log this variable number, which has been times by 3. So it's 10 times 3. So it's going to be 30. What is the correct way to declare a new variable that you can change? So you use the let. Okay, so we've got let my name with a colon, so that's not correct. Okay, const isn't correct. Let is with the equals, there we go, it's that one there. What is string interpolation? It's joining multiple string, nope, that's not it. Changing the value of a, nope, that's not it. Using temperate literals to embed, that sounds like it. And the fourth one's printing a string. So it's definitely this third one here. Using temperate literals to embed variables into a string. That's what interpolation is, that makes sense. What is the correct way to call a string's built-in method? So a built-in method, so let's have a look. We've got, so we're talking about a built-in method. So it's the dot operator followed by, we're using camel case, followed by the parentheses. So, which is this second one here. I want to go with the second one, which is correct. What is string concatenation? It's when you join two strings together. So when you assign a string to a variable, no. When you print it, no. When you join strings together, correct. So it's this third one here. And there we go. That's how you do the first quiz on Codecademy.